can have it like with chapati. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna try it and let you know how good it is. And for to make this naan, you can check my YouTube channel. There is a recipe how can you make it without oven tandoor, just on tawa. Bismillah. Wow, it's amazing taste. To be honestly speaking, you're gonna love this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to make okra curry with chicken. So let's see what we need to make it. First of all, we will put some oil. And then we will put some onion. And we will saute onion. Now we have saute onion. We will put chicken. Bismillah. And we will fry it a little bit. As you can see, it's getting a little bit harder. So now we can add some spices and tomato, ginger garlic and green chili as well. So this is salt, it's coriander powder, it's a little bit clove, this is little bit clove powder, and this is cinnamon, this is turmeric, cumin and red chili. So now we have added the spices. We will saute a little bit. As you can see how beautiful color is coming out. Now we can add these tomatoes, and this is ginger garlic paste, and this is green chili. And we will saute a little bit. And we will give just 5 minutes pressure to it, and it should be alright. So we will just give 5 minutes pressure and then we will open it. So after 2 to 3 whistles, you can turn off the stove and leave it to release the pressure. So we have released the pressure. Now we are transferring this chicken into a bigger pot so we can cook it easily. So just cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will add okra. So now we will cook it for one more minute, and we will add okra. Now we can add the okra. So now we have added okra, and we will cook it like for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add 2 lemon cubes. I have already squeezed it and freeze it to save some time. So you can do it as well. So we're gonna cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. So as you can see, it's cooked. Now we can add water into it to make some gravy, and now we will cook it like for 10 minutes. So now we will check if the okra is tender. Yeah, it looks all right. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Now we will add this black pepper. And we'll add some fresh coriander and julienne ginger and this green chili. And we'll put the lid on and turn off the stove and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes, and we will dish out then. Thank you. Bismillah. So as you can see, it's ready now. So we will dish it out. Bismillah. So it's ready to serve, and we can have it like with chapati. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel HTV7. Thank you. See you next time. Bye. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we're gonna try it and let you know how good it is. And to make this naan, you can check my YouTube channel. There is a recipe how can you make it without oven, tandoor, just on tawa. Bismillah. Wow, it's amazing taste. To be honestly speaking, you're gonna love this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.